what you're going to want to do is, your first thing you need to do is you need to put in the names and then hyperlink all the assignments. What I mean that is you're linking the assignments such that when I click in here, I will be able to view the assignment. Yesterday's work was just a gathering place so that you had them all picked and you have them all in one location. So what you will do is you'll go to yesterday's assignment, you'll go to what you turned in for each of the 5, and you'll open them all up. And so they'll all be up here. So for example, let me just, I have that assignment. Let me open up another one that I have. Let's say we have one from over here. Now this is my main one, but you'll have your own. So you'll have all of them opened up. All right. First thing first, we want to, instead of typing down the name, what we can do is highlight and copy, Command C for me, the quickest way. Copy, you go to assignment. This is the one from Unit 5, and so I'll paste it right there. I'll do this for all of them so that I have all of the names of the assignments that I'm using as my artifact in here. So this is 2, and actually this one should have gone down here at 5. I would do this for all 5 of them, but I'm just showing you the example for at least 2 of them. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the assignments, and I'm going to click the share button, and I'm going to go down to where it says copy link. All right. And this is for the 2.8 one. So I'm going to highlight this 2.8, and I can hit Command K, or I can do insert link right there, insert link, and then I will paste the assignment. I will paste the link into there. Is that when I click on here, I will be able to see the assignment that you are using as your artifact. Now I'm not going to click into all of them. I'll probably just click into one of them, or one of them that I'm looking at. I'm going to read what you said about it, and give it to you. So I would go into the other one, click share, copy link, come back to my portfolio artifact, highlight, insert link, Command K, and paste. So you'll do this for all 5 of them. All right. And then after you've done all that, then it's time to do your reflections parts. So describe what you learned from the assignment. So what did you learn about the material, the topic, and describe how that assignment or how that artifact represents your understanding of that entire unit. So in this case, it'd be like, how does this assignment, what did I learn when I recursive sequences? So what was that about? So you're describing the lesson to me, the topic, and then how your work within here demonstrates your understanding of sequences. You'll do that. This is your final assignment. This is your big project type of thing where, definitely if you have not done work and you don't do this, I think that kind of very explicit about where you stand in terms of the course. But that's your